Hello guys, today I am going to show you on how to turn, enable or disable ambient mode on your desktop. So let's go to your browser and make sure that you are already signed in to your account. Before we can turn the ambient mode, we should have changed your theme into a dark mode. So click your profile icon and click Appearance. Here, choose Dark Theme. Now, our theme is already changed. So now, let's try to view a video that may look good for the ambient mode. Let's try to search a colorful video. Here, to activate the ambient mode, tap the settings icon and enable ambient mode. Now, as you can see, the ambient mode makes the background of the video glow as well. The glow in the background will just depend on what video you are going to play. The brighter the video, the visible the background will be. And if you want to disable this one, just tap the settings icon again and disable this. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel because I will be making more helpful videos like this in the future. That's all for today. See you in the next video.